Hello students, welcome in chapter 9, sequence and series. Students, today I continue our parts of arithmetic progressions. Yes, arithmetic progressions continue our 9.2 exercise. Question is there, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Yes, here given from, it means 1 counted, 2001 also counted, and between all numbers which is odd counted. If you given here between words, so 1 not counted and 2001 also not counted. Yes students, here given from, that's why I applying to from one odd number itself, 2001 also itself odd number, and between all numbers. So here odd integer, there are 1 sure, next 3, 5, 7 and till last 2001. Now I want to, that is summation, but before summation we find out that how many numbers. So I go to A1 difference, T2 minus T1, 3 minus 1 which is 2, and n is how much? Yes, that's the unknown. Yes, how many total numbers not understand that, then I find out n. What is the Tn? Last term 2001, which is a plus n minus 1d. Now put it a and d and define n. A I have 1, n minus 1, but d it is 2, and here 2001 same. Now this one I carry forward right side, so n minus 1 into 2, here 2001 minus 1 itself 2000. Yes, now finally you can getting n minus 1 is equal to 2000 by 2, that cancel. So what's the n? It is 1000 plus 1. It means 1001. 3 zeros, here 1. 1001. It means the between 1 to 2001, not between, sorry, from 1 to 2001, how many odd numbers? 1001. Now I want to summation. Yes, so I get the here summations. Sn, n by 2, a plus l, because it is arithmetic progressions. In summation apply to S 1001. Here 1001 by 2, a is what? 1, and l last term 2001. Now students, here easily we create our answers. So 1001 and it is 2002. Now cutting that, it get 1001. So 1001 into 1001, and here students utilize your calculator and you get the answer very easily. So students, you getting here 100, 2001, that's your first 1001 number summation, and you get the students easily answer. Now students, I continue. Question number 2. Find the sum of the all natural numbers lies between, yes students, here given between words 100 and 1000. Between given, it means we not counted 100, we not counted 1000. Between numbers counted, and which are multiples of 5. It means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, but more than 100. So first number is obviously 105, second 110, and last 995. So students, here our numbers which are multiples of 5 and between 100 and 1000. So that's number are 105 first, 110 second, 115 till last dash 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 995. Yes, we not counted 1000 and not counted 100 because here word given between. If you from given, then 100 include, 1000 include. So I define first A 105. Difference D. Yes, second term minus first term, it is 5. N is unknown. And after that I go to Tn. Last term 995. A plus n minus 1d. Putting down A and D and define n. What is your A? 105. D I have? Yes, it is also 5. 995. So we get here n minus 1 into 5. But this side 995 minus 105. So you're getting here easily. Yes, that is here 0, 9 and here 8. 890. Yes, that's our product divided by 5 now. So n minus 1 is equal to 890 by 5. Very easy. It is 89 into 2, 10. Yes, 5 2s are 10. So your total getting 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16, plus 1 17. 178 and become 1 plus 178, which is 179. It means total number we achieve in the 105,995, it is a 179. Yes, one more time I check. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, and 8 2s are 16 and 17. Yes, 178 plus 1. Now I want to summation. So what's the Sn? N by 2. A plus L. But I have how much N? 179. Here write down 179 by 2. A become 105 plus L become 995. Now students, very easily you can getting here 995 plus 105. Just I added 10, 1. 9 and 1, 10, 1. 9, 10 and 11. Yes, so you getting here S 179. 179 into 1100 by 2, which is 550. And students, here you can utilize your calculator and easily get answer. So students, you getting here 98450, and that's your total summation for odd numbers between 100 to 1000. Now continue students, third one. If an AP, the first term is 2 and sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 the next 5 terms, then prove that 20th term is minus 112. Yes students, before started this numerical, it is IMP. Yes, exam oriented. This is a IMP sum. First term given, yes, first term is indicate small a, which is 2, and sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 the next 5 terms. It means there are 10 terms. Yes, I write down here. Terms are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. Yes, now read again. Sum of the first 5 terms, it means I telling about that. This sum of the 5 terms, S5, is sum of the last 5 terms is 1/4 part. It means this is the last 5 terms. But I take total summation minus this. Then they indicate that one. It is S10 minus S5. And that indicate what? This summation is a A6 to A10 total summation, means S10 minus this portion. You can get last 5 term summations. So here given, read again, sum of the first 5 term is 1/4 means 1 by 4 at the last 5 terms. Last 5 term I taking again, repeat here, total 10 minus first 5 terms. Now very easy, this 4 take upside, 4 into S5, S10 minus S5. Now this S5, again you check the left to right, 4 times S5, 1 time S5. They get 5 times S5 and here S10. Now you know SN formula, yes, summation of arithmetic progressions. S5, it is 5 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. It means students, our 5 minus 1d. Same as here, S10, 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1d. And simplify for the solutions. So here students, 5 and 5 multiply by 2. Here twice a plus 4d. Same here, this cancel, 5 twice a plus 9d. Now a value already you know, how much? 2. So I just apply my values in the way of here 25 by 2 same. A is what? 2 plus 4d. Here same, 2 plus 9d. Correct? So simplify that. Yes, here 25 by 2, here 4 plus 4d. This side 4 plus 9d. Now this 5 5s are gone, 25. And multiply it, so 5 4s are 20 plus 20d. And these two carry forward right side, 2 times 4 plus 9d. So students, you getting 20, 20d. Here 8 plus, yes, 9 2s are 18d. It means you now cover d value. So 20d minus 18d, 8 minus 20, which have 2d minus 2. D become minus 1. It means A ready, D ready, but I want to profane our 20th term is become minus 112. So after that I start here. Yes, that data I create now. Tn A plus n minus 1d. Putting down your n, 20th term, it means T20. A become how much? 2. Here 20 minus 1 and D is minus 1. Yes students, here total you getting your n 20, D is minus 1 and A is only and only students. Here how much? 20. So you can calculate very easily your Tn terms. Students, here by mistakes I written here 8 minus 20, it is 2. Actually it is a minus 12. So you getting here minus 6. Yes, and now cover to D, here minus 6. So total 2, here 19 into minus 6, and that is your 114. And 2 minus 114, obviously it is 112. So T20 students minus 112, and here your final answer is covered. Students, by mistakes here written 8 minus 22, actual it is how much? Minus 12. So that's why D is correction. Now your solution is students truly correct. Next, continue students, question 4. How many terms of the AP minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 till dash are needed to give the sum is minus 25? It means summation given and also A and D given. Students, my A value is a minus 6, D second term minus first term. So minus 11 by 2 plus 6, it is 6 to the 12. It means half. Yes, 12 minus 11. Now Tn I known minus 25 and n is target because how many terms? N is unknown. Apply Tn rule. A plus n minus 1d minus 25. A I have minus 6, n unknown, but D is a half and minus 25 as it is. So you taking first minus 6, convert right sides, and here students Tn given? No, it is a sum given. Yes, by mistakes I written here Tn, you write down Sn, and Sn formula write down. No? My mistake students, sorry. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Yes, summation given, not the terms given. That is a summation. So n unknown, a minus 6, and d is a, yes, half, and minus 25 as usual. So you can calculate further. N by 2 same, 6 to the 12, and that also same as, and taking you only LCM 2. So n by 2, here 12 to the 24, plus n minus 1 by 2, and minus 25 as it is. Now you simplify till up to n getting your answer. So 2 to the 4, n by 4, and here n minus 25 is equal to minus 25. Now you can create very easy. N square minus 25n, yes, n is equal to minus 25 fours, it become 100. Now I want to 100 splitting, getting 25. Yes, it is only two factors. One of the 25s are, how much 25s are? Yes, become 25 also, and 100 also. So n become minus 20, and secondly n minus 5. So either first true, either second true. So n minus 20 is equal to 0. My answer n is 20. Otherwise, secondly true, n minus 5 is equal to 0. Means n is equal to 5. It means there are 20 terms if you summations, you getting minus 25. Either you getting n equal to 5, then you also create n equal to 5. A summation is minus 25. It means there are two answers, 20, either 5. Yes, now students, time continue to fifth one, IMP question again. In AP, P term is 1 by Q and Q term is 1 by P. Then prove that, yes, prove that sum of the first PQ terms, yes, first PQ terms is that half PQ plus 1, where P and Q not same. Students, arithmetic progression generally you known, yes, in AP, you know the formula terms of n a plus n minus 1d. So can I write down here terms of p a plus p minus 1d? Same as terms of q a plus q minus 1d. And that's your first and second. Now anyhow we can derive value of a and value of d, and then after we go to summation. So students, here just I apply the values of terms of p, already known you 1 by q, and terms of q is also given 1 by p. Now you both create here elimination method. A and a gone, only we have p minus 1 minus q plus 1d. Here 1 by q minus 1 by p. Yes, easily you find out. Here 1 1 gone, p minus q into d. Here p minus q upon pq. So now p minus q cutting, because p never equal to q. So p minus q never 0. It means that cancel, only d 1 by pq. That's your first data done. But I want to also a. So apply either first equation, either second. So from 2, either from 1, I apply from 1 a plus p minus 1d 1 by q. As you wish students, you also utilize second equation. Now a as it is, p minus 1, but d is what? 1 by pq, and 1 by q again as it is. So what's your a? 1 by q minus p minus 1 by pq. So your data is a pq LCM, and definitely here q. So remaining a p minus p plus 1 cancel. So a become 1 by pq. That's your A ready. Finally, A done, D done. And I want to summation of first PQ terms. So I now respectively start summation of n formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. But I want to summation of PQ terms. Yes, very easy solution, students. N is putting PQ by 2. A, yes, A is that 1 by PQ. And n minus 1, so n is a PQ. D is also, students, 1 by PQ. And you easily create your solutions. Yes. So PQ by 2 same. Here 2 plus PQ minus 1 by PQ. Finally PQ gone. Remaining your answer. Ready, students? Here it is half 1 of the PQ plus 1, and that's you check you getting the half PQ plus 1, our target. Yes, students, it is a IMP for 3 marks question. Now continue, students. Question number 6 is very easy numerical. If the sum of the certain number of terms of an AP is given 25, 22, 19, dash is 116. Find the last term. It means first I define last term number, after that going to last term number. Yes. So here first of all you check A become 25. Difference 22 minus 25, which is minus 3. And here given that sum of the certain, yes, n is unknown, but Sn given 116. Apply the Sn formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, 116 same. So n by 2 same is A become 25. N, yes, unknown that. D become minus 3. And 116 also same is. So n by 2 I just write down as it is. And another here 50 minus 3n plus 3. 116 again same. So n by 2 as it is 53 minus 3n is equal to 116. Now students, I think here one big product available. So 53n minus 3n square is equal to 116 into 2. So total you cover 53n minus 3n square, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 and 2 1s are 2, 232. So I just arrange 3n square minus 53n plus 232. Now anyhow here you make the splitting and 1 to 53. So can we write down here 3 into 232? Yes, 232 is itself 2 into 116. Again you can dissolve 116, yes, divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 16, 2 8s are 16. Again you can dissolve maximum 29 2s are. Now stop, check that. How much is this? 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 and 29. Definitely they cover two product, but I want to 53. 29 and 24, if you added, I want to minus, so both minus taking, it is minus 53. 9 and 4 13, 1, yes, it means my splitting is done. Minus 24 minus 29. So I further calculate 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232. And easily you can create your one of the factorization, students. Yes, here 2 common pairing, 3n common, n minus, yes, 8. Continue. Here 29 common, n minus 8. So one of the n minus 8 and 3n minus 29. One answer is 8. Check, it is natural number. And always natural number is a correct for any AP terms. Yes, and another n become 29 by 3, which is not a natural number. So you're not taking your answer for n. It means your n cover 8. It means your 8 terms summation is 116. But I want to last term. It means 8 term. Therefore, last term Tn a plus n minus 1d. I go to here 8th term. Now a ready, d known, n also known. Yes, what is your a? A is the 25, n 8 minus 1, and d is also, students, minus 3. So here, students, your exactly answer coming 25, 7, 3 is 21. So 25 minus 21, it become 4. It means that's your last term to in this numerical done, students. Now, students, one more IMP questions coming. Question number 10. If the sum of the first p terms is equal to sum of the first q terms, then find the sum of the first p plus q terms. Yes, it's very easy, students. I just start summation of first p of an AP is equal to summation of the first q terms. It means here given summation of p is equal to summation of q. Now summation formula apply. It is p by 2, 2a plus p minus 1d. Same, q by 2, 2a plus q minus 1d. Students, very easily you 2 cutting. And this p I multiply inside, q also multiply inside. So what you get? 2ap. P square minus PD. Same here, twice AQ plus Q square minus QD. Very easy. You just make arrangement with like terms 2AP, 2AQ, and D terms I make the same with common taking. So first of all I do 2AP minus 2AQ. These are. And another p square minus p minus q square plus qd, and is equal to 0. Actually, students, I take the same numbers with the common and after that factorizations. Yes. So here 2a common, p minus q. Here p square minus q square minus p plus q, and d as it is. Actually these are you have to splitting, and here as it is p minus q. Students, here I take two factor p plus q, p minus q, and here minus 1 common taking, remaining are p minus q. Now you check p minus q, p minus q common. Yes, so p minus q you common taking, but another are as it is. Which are another? Here twice a. Next, continue, plus p plus q, here minus 1 d is equal to 0. Actually in this question not printed, but you can write down in the condition p not equal to q. Okay, then it is true. But you can show p not equal to q, p minus q never 0. It means this case never 0. So that case is 0. 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, 0. And here utilize your statement number 1. Now I want to summation of first. So now as of p plus q, I mean summation of n terms. It is n by 2. Next 2a plus p plus q minus 1d, and that becomes 0. So p plus q by 2 as it is into 0. So you getting here 0, summation of p plus q, and here declare you have to from 1, because this from 1 I attach their value here 0. Students, actually I go to your 10th number because our further questions, question number 6 after 7, 8 and 9, according to syllabus it is cancel part. that's why I am not taking this numerical. Okay, now 10 after 11 and 12 cancel, so now I taking to our question is a 13th number. Yes students. Now students, continue our 13th question. Yes, according to your syllabus students, 11 and 12 cancel there, so that's why I explain. Okay, so I going 13 also students, IMP numerical. If sum of the n terms is given 3n square plus 5n and mth term is given 164, find out value of m. So before started, you tick mark this also in the most IMP numerical. Students, in AP, Sn given 3n square plus 5n. Sn summation and I want to terms. So here one new formula coming. Yes, it is one new formula. Any terms an always Sn minus S of n minus 1. This property you utilize for any, not in AP here, any. Yes, summation to you getting to terms. So here I want to an Sn minus n minus 1. What is Sn? 3n square plus 5n. But as of n minus 1, you can apply in place of n minus 1. Again repeat. In place of n means whenever you n given, you just write down n minus 1. You just write down n minus 1 and then simplify. Yes, so that term is ready. 3n square 5n. Here 3n square minus 2n plus 1 and 5n minus 5. So internal calculations now ready. 3n square, 3 to the 6n plus 3 1 the 3 and 5n minus 5. So indirectly how much your value ready? 3n square plus 5n. Here 3n square, 6n and 5n minus n and 3 minus 5 minus 2. Now you expanded. So an 3n square plus 5n, another minus 3n square plus n plus 2, that finished, and that is your an terms ready, 6n plus 2. It means students, that is a summation. Now I get the, yes, it is terms, and I nth term given 164. From given nth term is 164. It means students, a of m 164. Apply here 6m plus 2 164. Easily 6m become 164 minus 2. It means 162. Now divided by 6. So m become 162 divided by 6. It's very easy. And here students, our question is coming that 6 to the 12. How much? Yes, 4 remaining, 42. 6 7s are 42. Means your data is 27. And m value, it means 27th term is your mth value for 164. Yes students, here our this exercise related 13 question students done, and I stop this part. Further explanations for this AP related I explain in the next part. Bye bye students.